ẹ̀yin tèmi ó tún ti ṣẹlẹ̀ o Primate Ayọ̀délé wọ́n tún ti mú àwọn ìran tó lágbára wá fún ìlú Ọ̀ṣun fún election 2026 wọ́n ní kò ń ṣe pé bóyá àwọn sọ́pọ́tì Governor Adeleke o fún ọ̀rọ̀ election but ohun tí Ọlọ́run bá fi hàn àwọn òun làwọn ń ṣàlàyé lórí election yìí bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n ní ohun tí àwọn rí ni pé ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá rig election yìí àwọn rí pé ó máa pa ẹni o wọn lóhun táwọn rí nìyẹn o because ẹ mọ̀ pé láàrin ọ̀sẹ̀ yìí àwọn arrest kan lọ tí Adeleke pariwo pé bí èèyàn 8 ló ti kú àwọn bíi 60 ni wọ́n ti tì mọ́lé òun ni Primate Ayọ̀délé wá sọ pé wọn ò bá tìyàn mọ́lé jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ arrest yẹn ò bá pọ̀ jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ ohun tí àwọn rí ni pé Adeleke òun ló máa wọlé wọ́n ní ká ní Omiṣore wà bẹ́ẹ̀ ni Omiṣore ló ní capacity láti defeat Adeleke ṣùgbọ́n tí ò ti sí Omiṣore ń bẹ̀ kò sí bí àǹbọ̀ ṣe fẹ́ ṣe wọ́n ní re-election yìí Adeleke ló máa wọlé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n ní Tinubu ó lose ideas lórí àwọn election yìí pé àwọn tó sọ̀rọ̀ ní bàbá Tinubu ó dà pé deceive náà ń deceive wọn wọ́n ní kò sí bí APC náà tún ṣe fẹ́ win ní Ọ̀yọ́ state ẹ wo ẹ̀yin tèmi ẹ wá nǹkan fìdílé nǹkan ẹja àjọgbọ́ ẹ̀kúnrẹ́rẹ́ prophecy lẹ́nu Primate Ayọ̀délé kẹ́hìn náà kan máa fún opinion sínú comment this CROSSBLOGXTV don't forget to subscribe like and share bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n tún sọ̀rọ̀ nípa Donald Trump náà wọ́n ní kí wọ́n má jẹ́ pé bóyá rògbòdìyàn tó ń fà pẹ̀lú Iran kó má yẹ pé òun ló máa lead sí third world war wọ́n ní kò sí bí àwọn ará country míì wọ́n ṣe ní join Iran lórí àwọn mátà tó ń lọ lọ́wọ́ yìí ẹ̀yin náà ẹja àjọgbọ́ kẹjà tó máa fún opinion sínú comment.
We see what is going on in Osun State. We not stop Adeleke. We're not stopping. The people doing that one, they are just messing up. The more they are killing, the more they are fighting, the more APC will fail. And so said the Lord, anybody who rigs the election of Osun 2027, God said that they will die. Do you understand? I'm telling you, this is not a matter of, I'm not supporting anybody. I'm not for Adeleke, not for the other boy. But that other boy has defeated himself. Ambo. You will come after Adeleke. You will say, I will need that word Ambo. That Ambo is already, you are already been defeated. Ambo na ni day, one day, lie. Oda, Ola, Konselene. So August 14, Ambo will not bore. He will lose the election. We now come and say, because let them arrest everybody. The more they arrest, the more APC will fail. It is still, look at the his name, Adeleke. Adeleke will leke. Nurudin. Nuru. Omar Wani Adin one. Yes. Put it like that. Tinubu. Oh God, Tinubu will not even support them. Tinubu will stay away from Osun. The man that is spoiling, that is causing all this wahala, is there someone that is desperate, who is once a governor. Do you understand? He wants to kill. And besides, the person who can win in APC, they didn't give him. That's Omiṣore. Omiṣore will have won this election. Last line, he will have defeated Adeleke. Omi eba Ṣore for Omiṣore. Because but one do you understand? So that is how Adeleke will defeat them in Osun. He will defeat them. They will do Allah. If you know you will win. Okay. Senate president is there. Let Senate president 10 million be there. APC chairman, he doesn't have love for victory. They put tax. They put big names there. Those big names will not work. Are they going to go and vote?
No, sir.
Or God have decided on shoot before now and give it to Adeleke. They call him dancing governor. Is it dancing for you? Is it dancing before Osha? It's not dancing before Osha, it's dancing before God. Because Adeleke is a dancer and he dances for God. So Adeleke will win. Either they like it, they don't like him. Either they hate him, they don't hate him. Adeleke should just follow the God's trend. He should not be intimidated. All this giri they are doing is to intimidate Adeleke. Let him stand firm. One with God is a majority. Adeleke wo ni o le gambo. That's all. That is just it. Bó ṣe gbé fìlà gogoro yẹn, àmọ́ gbé fìlà gogoro. kò gbé ó tẹ fìlà mọ́lẹ̀ ni ọjọ́ tó ti tẹ mọ́lẹ̀ ló ti lose election. Of course everything has meaning, spiritual meaning, but you don't know. I'm encouraging Adeleke, like it, don't like it, you will win. Let them rig. Begin to rig. They are rigging their life. Anybody who rigs that election, God will rig them, rig their life, rig their family. That's the spiritual meaning. You see, the worst part of it is anybody who now place billboard, any party in any Apc state, they will destroy that billboard. Why? They will say, come and pay 10 billion. They will be playing different wayo to win. Wayo will not win this election, no. Tinubu is losing ideas. He's running out of ideas to win this election. Did he believe that he can win? He's afraid. Our people that will help Tinubu, his aides will never allow him to just reach out to them. Article, watch your security for your families. For your families. You see the old Lekki, they will start taking Lekki. They will turn Lekki to a GRA. If you don't have grip, you see now, they will send people away out of Lekki, like the way they did in Morocco. It's coming in Lekki. That they will say, this Lekki is this. They will turn Lekki to another world. In Oyo State, they are deceiving Sharafaddin. The way they line up, that is the way they are deceiving him. APC I have not seen APC winning Oyo State now. It can change tomorrow. No, APC cannot win Oyo State. They are deceiving themselves. This is my advice as God directs to Donald Trump. This war, you just want to kill the world. Greediness. That is what is haunting Donald Trump. He doesn't understand this war. Don't let this war, they want to turn this war to third world war. But God will never allow it, because it is not the wish of God for us to have third world war. Saudi Arabia will be attacked. A very serious attack is come to Saudi Arabia. But as a matter of fact, Iran will not back out. And other countries will join Iran too. So Donald Trump should have another second thought. This war can cost America what America does not expect. And I'm telling you too, Donald Trump is warming up for third term. Donald Trump is warming up for third term. FIFA name will be changed. FIFA. The name will be changed. And a lot of things will change in FIFA. That is, the constitution of FIFA will change. And the name FIFA will change. There is going to be another new United Nations that will be better than this present one. It's only that I don't know African nations, African presidents will have supported Jonathan to go and contest for Secretary General of United Nations. Obasanjo is old. Obasanjo will have been another good candidate. Jonathan and Obasanjo will have made the best candidate so far. All those people that are coming out, they don't have what Jonathan and Obasanjo have. And that will have had value to Nigerians and Africa as a whole. In South Sudan, I said it here sometimes that they will remove the CBN governor of South Sudan and Minister of Finance, which he did. And I still want to say that election that is coming on in South Sudan in December is a charade election. And if the president, they vote him, the man will not last. Because that is the end of him. Instead of him now to step down, he will still sack all the vice presidents he has. That's about 4 or 5 vice presidents. He will sack all of them very soon. But for this coming election, I have not seen any candidate that will match the man. And the man have not seek the face of God to contest this election. If you contest it, the country will be upside down, upside down, upside down. The crisis of the country is what will kill him. And the man must take care of his health than going to politics. Boston will intercept some ammunitions and some drugs. They will intercept it. Let us watch Lagos, Port Harcourt, Kaduna Airport. And Gatwick Airport, there is going to be a kind of shutting it down. Darkness in Gatwick Airport. All CPs, AIGs, let them pray that I don't lose anybody. CPs, AIGs, let them pray. Not all the politicians that are waiting for 2027 will witness it. Not all the senators will even witness it. There will be communication network. All this Airtel, MTN, and etc. expect it this month of August. Zambia president, watch and pray for your wife. Let all Nigerian first lady and former first ladies, let them pray. I see a signal of earthquake in Nigeria. Earthquake, earth trauma, especially in Oyo State. Let them watch very well. In Oyo State, earthquake. Partially, we may have slight of it in Lagos. Slight, but not now. But you might see slight of it. And the thing is coming up small. But let them watch. Let them watch. If Nigeria wanted to qualify for Nations Cup and World Cup, let them build new players. Super Eagles. Let them build new players. So. Let them build new players. So. APC, don't waste your money in Abia State. Let Kalu speaker, all of you come together. You can't remove Alesoti. Alesoti is a God's project. So it's difficult, it will be difficult to remove him. And you can't rig. Because he has done better and he has done more than what you guys cannot do. It's either you just go and don't waste your candidate's money. Anybody coming out in the state, you can't remove this person. No, it's very difficult.